Hi and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your audio sound lo-fi in Audacity. If you enjoy these tutorials, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future tips. Let's get started. Step 1. First, import your audio file into Audacity. Make sure the track is selected and ready to be edited. Step 2. Next, go to the Effects menu at the top of the screen. From there, choose Equalization, and then select Low Pass Filter. This effect will help you get that lo-fi vibe by removing the higher frequencies. Step 3. Now, adjust the frequency. I recommend setting it anywhere between 1500 Hz to 8000 Hz, but it depends on your music. If you want a deeper lo-fi sound, try going lower. Just experiment until you get the sound you're looking for. Step 4. After making your adjustments, hit play to listen to the effect. If you feel the sound could use more tweaking, repeat the process or adjust the frequency again until you're happy with the result. And that's it. You've now made your audio sound lo-fi in Audacity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.